So I wanted to show you how we pay for some of the propane early in the season, and that's through interplanting. And there's a lot of different crops you can use with tomatoes. I really like beets, radishes, turnips, maybe some lettuce, and some bok choy. I find those to work really, really well. And in this bed you can see there's beets on the outside. They're going to take a little bit longer to grow than what we have on the inside, which are radishes. The radishes are done right now. They're going to be harvested this week, and that'll clear out all the space in the middle so we can get a bit more airflow in between the double row. And then 2-3 weeks later, the beets will come out. You can see they're already starting to get big. They're just a couple of weeks from being harvested, and they do really, really well under these circumstances. The leaves become really green. Really nice look to them. They look great on a spring table. The radishes size up quickly. And you really can get a nice harvest out of the tomato house to help pay for that early propane. And that's important. So you come in, we'll take a look. You can see we have beautiful radishes growing, ready to come out, ready to be bunched. So we have beautiful beets here, right? They're just, maybe 3 weeks away from being harvested. They're going to get nice and big.